Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with RENDEL RV, and today I want to take you around a 2021 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 356QB. It's a big bunk room, fifth wheel. We'll start out on the front here. It's got this huge front cap, the LED lights. This unit is sold. Comes with your Kingpin. Customer opted in for the 20K Reese Goose box there. Huge awning. It's got an outside kitchen, 6-point auto leveling. 2 entry doors. There's a shot of the outside kitchen, which is the griddle, the mini fridge, and some storage and a sink. Back here you get the second entry door that takes you straight to the second full bath. It's got the step above, solid steps here. All right. So when we first walk in here, we have this trifold sofa, big U-shaped dinette. It's got all your blackout roller shades already down. Big Furrion refrigerator. 3-burner stove. Your oven. And also you get some storage down below here. Up top, vent hood, microwave, some more storage. Your stainless steel sink. Pull down faucet. Over here you get your TV, sound bar, radio, electric fireplace, and some more storage above. And this bed right here will pull all the way out to be a 2-person bed, and this can make it down to a bed. So this is the big bunk room. 1 bunk over here, spot for a TV. Over here they changed it up with this new Versa bunk system. So this bed right here will come down. Also this right here will now turn into a queen bed, which is right there. You get your couch, and also you can remove it to do a desk or dog kennels. Here's the extra full bath. Toilet, some storage. This one's got the bathtub, the other one will have a walk-in shower. Also 2 wardrobes over here for the kids. Up front, king-size bed with more storage underneath. Big barn doors. It's got some built-in shelves on this side. This side is for wardrobe and washer and dryer prep. And over here you get 3 dresser drawers. Spot there to sit down and you need to put on some shoes. And here is your main full bath. Walk-in shower, your sink and your cabinets. So this one is sold, but we have more coming, or you can custom order one. Put your name on the next one. You can reach us at rendelrv.com or call us at 903-326-4080.